This is another big change of LinkedIn, and that is you can no longer sync your mobile contacts to the LinkedIn app. I actually tested this, it's less than 2 months ago, and it was working, and today it's not. Let me show you where it was and what's there now. If you got to go to My Network, and then you go to Manage My Network, and you can see the word contacts is not there. And by the way, this is exactly, let me go back and look at it exactly. Connections, followers, groups, pages, events, newsletter, and hashtag. It's in a different order on the desktop, but it's exactly the same thing. Contacts is no longer a part of the LinkedIn app on mobile or desktop. And it used to be that you could also, where you had the little people icon in the bottom right, the little blue with the black icon at People Plus, you used to be able to click on that, and it would show the interface or the part of the app that would go to contacts, and that's no longer there either. One of the interesting things that I see is that I don't see how I can invite someone to connect with me if I know their email address and I know their name. I can't find them on LinkedIn, but I could typically, in the past, I could have sent an invite to their email address from the LinkedIn app. That is gone as well. So now we have to figure out another way to be able to manage sending invites out to groups of people that we meet at networking events or conferences or trade shows. So hang tight. If I design or develop a solution, I will share it. And if I get a good answer from LinkedIn, I will share that forward as well. Bottom line, as of today, September 29th, 2023, there is no longer any functionality on LinkedIn for importing or syncing to your contacts. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator dude. I hope this update is informative and useful for you.